I'm Eddie Field. In this episode, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to install this Hawkins 11 44-inch LED indoor ceiling fan by Hampton Bay. First of all, you notice that the Hawkins 11 is a 5-blade ceiling fan. It includes 2 light bulbs and all the mounting hardware you need. It also includes the frosted bowl. This installation requires you to have an electric box already mounted in the ceiling. Thread the wire through the mounting plate and screw the mounting plate to the box. Next, there is a hook to hang the motor while you're doing your wiring. We had one light switch, so we attached both the black and blue fan wires to the black house wire. Step 3, bolt your motor to the hanger. And then tighten the bolts. Step 4, the collar twists and locks into place on the mounting bracket. Next, attach each of the fan blade mounts to the fan blades. This is a neat design. It actually slides in and locks into place. These 5 blades are reversible with a lighter wood grain or a darker coffee color. Now bolt each fan blade mount to the motor. Bonus tip, keep them all loose until all the fan blades are up, then go around and tighten them. Next, connect the light wiring and tuck the wiring and attach the light kit assembly to the motor. Step 8, screw in the bulbs. Next, thread the chains through the bowl and the decorative plate. Step 10, screw on the decorative nut onto the threaded rod from the light kit. Turn on the light switch to test. If you want to see which direction your fan should spin at each time of the year, click the image on your screen now.